Hello everyone, welcome to PowerPoint World. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an isometric laptop. It's one of the creative ways of presenting your content and gaining your audience's attention. So, let's get started. Now let's insert an image in the background. Right-click and go to Format Background. Select Picture or Texture Fill. Insert Picture from File. I downloaded this image from Google, so you can do the same. Now the offset top represents that the dimensions of this image exceeds the dimensions of the slide by 7%. So you have to make sure that all these dimensions are 0 to make the image fit exactly into the slide. Go to Insert, Shapes, and then insert a rounded rectangle which has a height of 3.5 and width of 6. Give it a shape fill of gray, shape outline gray as well. Now the curves seem too deep, so drag the yellow circle to the outside. Right-click this image, go to Format Shape, Effects, and give it a 3D format of circle. Increase the width and height to 9 points. Insert another rectangle on top of it. Make the shape fill as no fill. Shape outline black. And increase its weight to 16 points. Now insert a rectangle in between, and this represents the screen. Make the shape fill white. Select the entire top panel and group it by holding the Control key with the letter G. Right-click this image, go to Format Shape, Effects, and now give it a 3D rotation of off-axis to left. For the base panel, let's first duplicate this slide. Delete this top panel. Insert a rounded rectangle and give it a height of 4.8 and width of 6. Make the shape fill and outline gray. Use the yellow circle to drag the corners to the outside a bit. Right-click, go to Format Shape, and give it a 3D format of circle. Increase its width and height to 9 points. Insert a rectangle for the keyboard and keys. Give it a height of 0.3 and width of 5.4. Make the shape fill black, shape outline black as well. Duplicate this by holding the Control key with the letter D. Select the entire row and group it. For the row with the spacebar, first ungroup it by holding the Control key, the Shift key, and the letter G. Delete these two keys and extend this for the spacebar. For the touchpad, insert a rectangle, give it a height of 1.1 and width of 1.4. Make the shape fill and outline dark gray. Now select the entire base panel and group it. Then give it a 3D rotation of off-axis to top. Paste this below the top panel. And to give it a more realistic look, let's insert a rectangle in between these two panels. Give this a height of 0.1 and width of 5.4. Make the shape fill and outline black and give it a rotation similar to that of the top panel. Now select the entire figure and group it. Now let's insert text to it. Then give it a 3D rotation of off-axis to left. Duplicate this. And then I'll place an image beside it. Go to Insert, Pictures. Give it a 3D rotation. And to change its color, go to Format, Color, and you can either choose it from here or go to More Variations and choose any color of your choice. To add animations, go to the Animations tab. Select the image and give it an animation of vibe. Change the effect options from left and start this with previous. Select the text, give it an animation of vibe. Change the effect options from left and start this after previous. Use the animation painter to copy on the animation to the next text, but change this to with previous. In my previous video, I showed how to create animated business icons that can really make your presentations stand out. So to view more of these icons, I have provided the link in the description below. Now let's just increase the number of papers. Duplicate this and place it on top of the previous one. Now move the magnifying glass on top of it, go to Format and bring it to front. Now for animations, let's zoom. Go to the Animations tab, but let's zoom in first so that it's easy to apply the animations. Select the first paper, give it an animation, apply in, effect options from top, and start this with previous. Use the animation painter to copy the animation onto the next one, but to this paper, start this after previous. Now to the magnifying glass, add an animation of fly in. Change the effect options from top and start this after previous. So this is the final outlook, and if you enjoyed watching this video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates about my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.